Hello, this is Slay or Die. Welcome back to my channel, all you Slayers. Okay, so this is my long time. Okay, so it took me a while to get this product because number one, it kept selling out, and number two, I am a nursing school student. So any of you guys that have been to nursing school, you know how much it takes out of your time and out of your finances. And add that with children that are home during the summer, and then your wallet tends to look a little empty. So, anyways, I got Jeffree Star Collections Blood Sugar. And you guys are like, girl, that's so whatever. Well, I'm just going to review it for those who want to know about it. If you like it, click the thumbs up button. If you don't like it, go to another channel. I don't know. So anyways, he came out with this about late spring. It's blood sugar. It runs for about, let me say, $52. Kept selling out. I finally had to go. I went on the Beautylish website and was able to get this to my house in a relatively short period of time. And it comes in this vegan leather case, and it's got these little, it's like a little miniature suitcase. It's got some good weight to it. Definitely something that commands a little bit of respect, I guess. So let me open her up. Now, when you first get the palette, it sticks a little bit when you try to open it, so you have to put some muscle into it. There we go. And as you can see, there's all the shades right there. And I love the names of the shades. It is cruelty free, so no animals were harmed in the making of this project. Maybe a couple of vegan trees. I don't know. What are vegan trees? But anyways, let me get started and let's see how it does on my skin. So, I am going to start with this shade. Let's see, I've already prepped and powdered my eyes. Well, I just prepped my eyes with Urban Decay eye primer potion, and I also put a little bit of NYX base on my eyelids. So I'm gonna start with the tone Cake Mix, and as you can see, that's a darker tan tone. And let's see how everything goes. So how you guys been doing? Enjoying your summer? It is hot where I am located at. It is definitely killing my air conditioning bill. And oh, it goes on very, very smooth. Very smooth, no dragging. And guys, I'm sorry if I'm not using the right kind of brush. But it's been a long time since I've been in cosmetology school, so just bear with me. So anyways, this summer I've been trying to get my kids off the couch and myself off the couch by taking them swimming in the evening time. But the funny thing is about it is that my kids do not want to get out of bed. They're just like, we are so tired from swimming. And my rule during the summer, I don't know about the other parents' rules. There's some parents that are like, I don't care if it's summer. You will go to bed at 9 and you will get up at 9. You know, some parents are like that. And I'm not criticizing that. But my kids, I was like, you can stay up till 2, but you have to get out of bed by 10 a.m. because we have stuff to do in the morning. And sometimes if my kids know automatically if we have something to do, they will get out of bed themselves. And you guys take a look here to see how Cake Mix applied. Kind of a nice, lovely brown. I could see wearing this as like a part of a day look. I saw someone that did an incredible day look with one of Jeffree Star's palettes. I can't remember the name of it. I think it was Androgyny. She did a day look, and I was like, wow, I didn't know you could do a day look, because some of his palette colors are like pretty extreme, but you can actually tone it down a bit to whatever your taste is. I'm gonna try. Let's see. I'm gonna try an all. I'm gonna try Sweetener, and Sweetener is this gold color right here, as you can see. Let's see how Sweetener applies. I'm gonna try that on my outer crease. Place that there. So this summer, my kids have been getting out of the house more. Um, we were gonna go bike riding today. They don't know that, of course. Uh, but we're gonna go bike riding. But it actually might rain today, so they may not be able to do that. And anyone else's kids have molded themselves in the shape of your couch, you know. You look, your couch is empty, and you see like one of your kids' shape like molded into it. So, anyways, oh, I kind of like that. That is pretty. These are so pretty, and they don't skip at all. Let me try his red. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try the namesake, Blood Sugar. If you can see that there, and see how that looks. So, anyways, I have been on the hunt for the perfect red eyeshadow, and I tried. You guys see that? That is like drop dead red. And sometimes when I put a red shadow on my skin tone, even when it's prepped and primed, it will try to turn pink on me. And I definitely get, there's quite a bit of fallout on the Blood Sugar, so the color. So be careful with it. Try to be very gentle with that one. But this is like stopping traffic red. I tried the MAC red, and it was okay. But it did that kind of crazy thing that does on my skin where it turned like red. I'm gonna blend that out a bit. Let me see here, because that is like stopping traffic, causing accidents, everything, making people cuss, get out of the cars, get angry. Red. I mean, that is a drop dead red. Yes. If you can see that there. And guys, like I said, I am not the perfect blender. However, if you ask me to start an IV in 10 seconds, I can do that for you, no problem. That's why I went back to nursing. Guys, I tried my stand at cosmetology, and I don't know, everyone else like took off like an airplane, and me, I mean, I could cut hair decently. I wouldn't say I was super good. Some people were saying that I was good, but I was okay with it. But anyways, I'm going to try to blend Sweetener on a little bit better. Let me try Tongue Pop in the middle there. See how that looks. Blend it between the two. Where that crease is. I should have did a better, I guess maybe better transition color instead of just boom, jump right to Blood Sugar. Blood Sugar nearly knocked my lights out, I'm telling you. There, that's looking a little bit better blended. That looks a little bit better, see? Alrighty, I am going to try to put coma in my outer crease. And that is has the caduce on it. If you guys can see that. Didn't do too bad when I dipped in there. Whereas when I dipped in the blood sugar, it definitely saw a little bit of fallout. And y'all, guys, I don't die when I see fallout. It's not anything killing. I just brush it back into the pan area and use it for a later use. But some people are actually like, fallout? You know, what's that commercial where it's like, oh, New York City. Some people, they act like when they see fallout on their palettes, they're like, fallout? It's like, calm down, just brush a little bit back in the pan and it's gonna be okay. I'm gonna extend that out a little bit. I kind of like the way that looks. Give me some gem in the hologram's fabulousness. Ooh. Gem is truly outrageous. Okay. But tried coma on this side. And of course, you know, being a medical professional, I love the name. Blood sugar. Now, Jeffree is quite a controversial figure in the Black community, and he has made some mistakes in the past concerning that. Blend that out a little bit. Concerning his relationship with Black community and especially Black YouTubers. Where he called one YouTuber rat. I am not excusing his actions. He has apologized, and I'm willing to give him the benefit of the doubt and see that as something that he can grow from. I certainly, at least from his ads, it seems like he is incorporating more people of color within his line, and that he has definitely learned from his mistakes. Now, don't go messing up, Jeffree, after I say you learned from your mistakes. But I'm willing to give him the benefit of the doubt. And lastly, I want to put something kind of exciting in the middle there. What should I go with? So I'm looking kind of tigery, kind of orangey. You know what? I am going to go with donor. Speaking of donor, it's been a while since I've donated blood. I usually try to do it pretty consistently, but lately, especially this summer, and summer, guys, is the worst time for blood donations. I'm going to use my fake MAC 239 brush. Yeah, 239 brush on this one. I have this story about this fake MAC brush, guys. I will give you all the tea in a later video. But let's put it this way. Don't try to cut corners trying to be cheap, okay? And there's cheap and there's being, frugal. And I was trying to be cheap. You know, I've been beauty school. I was like, I want to be a makeup artist. So I went and got... Now, donor has quite a bit of fallout, just like color blood sugar. And I was like, oh, I'm going to just go to this beauty convention. And guys, I'm usually a scam spotter. I can see a scam from 9 miles away. But I thought, since this is a beauty convention, that it wasn't sponsored by my school, but my school recommended that we go there. And I'm like, oh, my school recommended this. And I see a lot of beauty students, so there's no way there's going to be like fake stuff there. Wrong. Fake. I'm going to blend this out a little bit. And I bought some fake MAC brushes for $60. And some fake makeup, fake MAC palette, which looked kind of okay. But guys, that fake makeup will put you in an early grave if you are not careful about it. Um, some fake makeup products have deadly levels of copper in it, and if you know anything about copper in the body, we do have a little bit of it as like a trace mineral. But to use heavy amounts of like we would in makeup can be very detrimental. So when you buy knockoff makeup products or that type of thing, you need to do your research, okay? Because some of that stuff can be extremely toxic. Um, if I'm hurting for cash or whatever, and I want a knockoff something, I'll just go for a cheaper beauty product because I certainly learned my lesson. Well, let's see. Lastly, in my inner corner, I'm going to put. I don't have anything really glittery. So you know what? In my inner corner, I'm going to put the best highlight. Sorry, Jeffree. I have not tried your highlight. I'm like talking to the palette like it has, like the palette can talk back. But I have not tried his highlighters. But guys, you know my girl. And I usually don't buy two. But I bought two of these because it has a glow that you can 9 to 5 with, and it has a glow that you can just like give someone a sunburn with. I mean, you know what I'm talking about if you have used this Ambreezy's palette from Urban Decay, or not Anastasia. Sorry, I got Urban Decay on my mind today. I don't know why. I put some under my brow. There, but it is just awesome, and I use it nearly every day. And sometimes I use it I'll just highlight my face and just I'll just highlight my face, and I will I don't even put blush on, just call it a day. Highlight and go. That's it. And we're just about done here. You guys are probably like, girl, this is so painful to see you stutter and all this. Oh, I'm putting on L'Oreal's Voluminous Original. I had a really good mascara from, who was it? From Lancome, but I dropped it in my sink, the wand in my sink. And so I was like, ew. Sink was looking a little rough that day, so I did not use it. I threw it out. One thing with mascara and germs, it's a real deal, especially if you wear contact lenses and all that, guys. You have to be really careful about certain makeup in your near your eyes, and my eyes are already very sensitive because it's allergy season 24/7 almost where I live at. So, and there you go for a nice eye look. So tell me, guys, what you think. Link it below. I'll leave the link below for Beautylish. And that's it, guys. So I'm reminding you to slay or die trying. Guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And have a good rest of the summer. Stay cool. Bye.